Hey guys, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a fun one. So this video is a collab with my friend Angela Van Rose. We are going to be talking about our 5 favorite Chanel products. First, I want to tell you a little bit about Angela. So Angela lives in Milan, Italy. She's my Italian sister. I'm Italian, I'm Hungarian, and I have a little bit of French in me, even though I don't know how to pronounce a lot of French words, but yes, that's what I am. So I love Angela. She shares reviews and very, very detailed reviews, I might add, on her channel with luxury products. So if you are looking, if you love luxury products like I do, make sure you subscribe to her channel because you are going to love her channel. I just discovered her, she just came up on my feed and I was like, oh my gosh, I just love her. I just love how detailed she is. She does an amazing job when she does her makeup application. I love her videos and I know that you will too. So make sure that you hop on over to Angela's channel. I cannot wait to see what she's sharing. We didn't talk to each other, so I don't know what she's going to share compared to what I'm going to share. I have no idea, so this will be fun. Maybe we'll share the same things. I don't know. The first thing that I'm going to share, and this is not going to be a surprise for you, but it's kind of sad too in a way, and that is actually, I have one more thing too. Where is it? Okay. Actually, it's kind of sad because it's my Chanel Perfection Lumiere Velvet foundation. I love this foundation, but just recently Chanel decided to redo it, reformulate it, whatever. It should be out in the States here in September is what I've heard. But right now I believe it's available in France and Italy, and I don't know for sure where else, but it's going to have a different name. Packaging looks the same. It's going to have a different name. And they did change the formula slightly. So I will see how it is. I know Angela has been testing it and she doesn't like it. So I'm really bummed, but we'll see if it works for my skin. But this was my holy grail. When I first tried this, I hated it. I hated this foundation when I first tried it. I changed my skincare. A couple of years later, I tried it, loved it. Just fell in love with this foundation. So I do have a backup. I didn't get like a ton of backups on it because I just felt like I don't use this every day. And so this will last me a while, and then I have another one. So I probably will be good for at least a year or two. And you can't keep it that long anyway. So yeah, I don't apply a lot of foundation to my face. I'm very, very light on my foundation application. So this will last me a long time, and then I have a backup. The other one, and this is a new one that I just absolutely love as well. And this is, I wouldn't even consider this a foundation, really. This is the Water Fresh Tint. I love this. I know you've probably heard a lot of hype with this. The hype is real. It's really, really good. But you have to know this. And I shared a review on it. If I can remember, I will link it up there. If you are someone that loves full coverage, you're going to hate this. You will hate this. I don't like to wear a lot of heavy makeup, and I feel like I'm wearing less and less and less these days, and I feel like less is more. Especially on aging, mature skin, I just feel like if we put too much on, it just ages us. I really do. So what I love about this, it just, your face looks fresh. I have combo dry skin. I have both. And even though I have that and it is a serum, it doesn't look oily. It does definitely give me a little bit of a shine. It's a very similar shine that I get with this. So it's a nice, youthful, dewy kind of a shine, but it's not like a gross, greasy one. And as the day wears on, I will just take a tissue and pat it off, but it never looks gross. You know how you wear a foundation, after hours you wear it, it just looks gross. It looks like you need to fix it. This is not like that. That's what I love about it. It's just really light. It's really fresh. You can wear it in the summer. Like, I live in Florida, girl, okay? I live in Florida where it's very hot and humid, and I can wear this. So I only use a pump on each side of the face. So what I do, and by the way, this comes with a brush. Look how cute this brush is. And I clean it after every use, just like my sponge. I don't clean my eye brushes every day, but I clean them every couple weeks or so. But my foundation brush, I clean every single time I use it, just like my sponge. So what I do, and I explain this in the video, but I'll just share really quickly. I just do a pump and then I put it on my face and then I massage it in and blend it in really well and go to the other side and do the same thing. I know that Chanel is telling everybody to put it on your hand and put it on, but most of the product's going to go on the back of your hand and you're going to keep on using more. They're probably telling you that because they want you to go through this. This is not cheap. So I've had this since June and I still have plenty left, but I don't use this every day. And like I said, I only use a pump for each side. So I love this. So if you are someone that doesn't like a heavy foundation look, you just want something really light and youthful, and you want to see your skin, you don't care if you see a little bit of redness or whatever, you're gonna love this. Now this one is a recent discovery, but I am really enjoying it. And this is their concealer. This is it says Lake Corrector in 32 Beige Rose. So what I like about this is it not only conceals, but it corrects because it's got that little bit of that peachy color that will help cancel out the purple. So I just will apply it. I'm not gonna do it now, but I will just dot, dot, dot. And then I will take my beauty blender and blend it in. Now I started using this because my Holy Grail, they messed with the formula. I did get a new tube, so we'll see how that goes. I love this, and a little bit goes a long way. You don't want to use a lot of this. Use very little. This I absolutely love. I actually had to tell myself, you know what, you need to step away and use some of your other palettes. That's enough. And it is this palette here. First of all, I love the packaging, but that's how Chanel is. I just love, love, love the packaging. This is the Indispensables. I'm not saying it very nice, but that's what it is, palette that they had as part of their cruise line. I love this palette. If you know me and you've been following me, you know these are my colors here. I just love neutral shadows, and even though they're neutral, you can do several different looks in it. This is a little bit different too, of a color in there that's a little bit peachy, that's like a silvery grayish or grayish maybe color, that gold color. Love it. Love, love, love this palette. The shadows are beautiful. They're pigmented. They're blendable. This is the first eye palette that I've ever purchased from Chanel. This was it. When I saw it, I'm like, I have to have it. And I think it was Angela that shared on her channel. I was like, I need that palette. But I love it, you guys. And I also like the fact that it's so compact. So I've taken this already when we've gone on a trip. I took it with me. It was so nice because it's compact. Love it. I don't know if this is still available or not. If it is, I will leave a link below, but I absolutely love this one. If it is, I would definitely recommend it. Two more things, and one is actually a tool. So I wanted to make sure I put it in here, so that actually makes 6 things, but we're just gonna do it. The other thing that I've really, really been enjoying is this. Now I got this not this past spring, the spring before that. I went to a Chanel counter and I had a little makeover, which was fun. If you ever have the opportunity, I highly recommend it. It's always fun to see what somebody else is going to do to you, makeup. And if you don't like it, you can wash it off. I actually happen to like what she did. And this was one of the things that she used. And it's their waterproof eye pencil. Now I know it's no big thing because Anastasia has one similar to this as well, but what I feel like this lasts on me longer than that one does, and I just love it. And it's a quick 5-minute, maybe not even a 5-minute eye look, you know what I mean, as far as your brows, because all I do, and I can't do it now because I just did my brows, but I am going to do a video soon, and I'm going to do a step-by-step video on how to apply your eyeshadow, how to apply foundation, tips on, you know, looking for a foundation color, how to apply your brows, how to shape your brow, all that. I'm gonna do a whole series on all that. But what I do is I just take this, see how it's kind of angled there? I don't know if you can see. I just take it like this, and I will start there, and I will go like that, I'll turn it this way and I'll start going in that way. I comb it up, I do a little bit more, comb it up, and I'm done. So I love this. It's easy to use, and I also, like I said, love that it lasts on me because some of them don't. This lasts really, really well, so I love that. The last thing that I want to share is this. So this is it's a double-ended. One end is a spoolie, and the other end is an angled brush. So this is for your eyebrows. Sometimes I feel like after I use my pencil, I just need to blend it out a little bit more. So I will go in with this and just kind of brush it up. I will take this end, which is not stiff. Now, a lot of times when you see these brow brushes, they're kind of stiff. This isn't stiff, and I actually like that because what I will do is I'll just go in here and just make sure that everything is blended really well. So the reason I like that it's not stiff is if it's too stiff, sometimes I feel like you're taking the product off, where this you're not, you're just actually blending it. I love this. I bought this several years ago, and it's just like a tool for me that is a must-have for me, so I really enjoy using it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. And then if you're traveling with it, it has these little caps on the side, so then it doesn't get all messed up. You could even put it in your, you know, if you have a cup for your brushes, it's not gonna get messed up. So I really, really love it. That is it, guys. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you hop on over and visit Angela's channel. I know that you are going to love her. When you click on over there, make sure that you subscribe to her channel. If you are new here, welcome. I would love to have you join me as well. Just click that button below, hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. You can also click on that notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you will be notified. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.